Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Github Desktop on a Windows operating system, and after that I am also going to show you how you can easily fetch your projects from GitHub, then how to do check-in, how to create pull request, everything I am going to show you. So first you need to go to favorite browser and you need to just simply type Github Desktop download. So that's going to show you this desktop.github.com. So just simply go to that official site and just simply click on this download for Windows. So we are using Windows, so it has automatically recognized that, and if I go to my download directory, you can see this GitHub Desktop setup is already been downloaded over here, and the file size is 173 MB. So to install, just simply double click on that installer. So you can minimize your download directory. So GitHub Desktop is been installed. You need to have active internet connection for this. Welcome to GitHub Desktop. Just then click on sign in to github.com. So that's going to redirect to your page on your browser. So here you need to create a new account on GitHub if you don't have an account already, or if you already have an account, you just simply provide that username and password. I'll provide my username for my GitHub account, which is Geeky Script, and I'm going to give the password, and I'm going to click on sign in, and it's going to send a code to our registered email ID. So I'll just type that code. So it's going to automatically verify it, and next it's going to tell whether you like to authorize GitHub Desktop. So just simply click on continue. So everything is fine. Just simply click on authorize desktop, and now just simply click on this button of open GitHub Desktop.exe, and it's going to authorize it. So that's it. So you can see the username and this email ID. You can switch to your email ID and just simply click on finish. And there you go. You can see all the projects that I have created. All the repositories are all rightly showing. So basically, if you go to the official site of github.com and you go to the profile, so currently I don't have much followers, so please do follow me. 8 subscriber with 1 lakh subscriber is not good, right? Just follow me. So we go to repositories. So there are 31 projects or repositories. So that is what it is showing over here. So all these projects. So let's see how you can fetch any of the projects. So let's say you want to fetch this calculator.js. So just select that and click on clone Geeky Script calculator.js project. As soon as you click on that, it's going to show you this pop-up, and it's going to show this local path location where this project going to be downloaded. So you can always click on this choose button and can change that location. I'm going to keep it default. I'm going to click on clone, so that's going to immediately start fetching that project, basically cloning that project and going to download it and put it locally on your system. So this is our project main fetching origin, and this last phase is just now. So everything is fetched. So just open it in Visual Studio. You can click on I trust the authors, and this is our project rightly fetched over here. So let's say you want to make some changes anywhere, like the current theme is dark. Let's say just want to mention that same thing as a comment. Current theme used is dark. I'm just giving a demo. Alright, just save this, and as soon as you go to your GitHub Desktop, it's going to show you the changes that we have made. So for example, this current theme used is dark, so it's properly shown. So now all you do is you just provide a description. Changes I am committing from GitHub Desktop. Just random, okay. Just click on commit one file to main, and it's going to tell you whether you like to push it to origin. Yes, we want, and you can see it is rightly done. So if you go to your browser and just simply refresh this, you're going to see that calculator.js project is what just now updated. All right, so that's how you do. You can switch to other projects also. Just click on this clone repository, and you can give the URL of that repository that you'd like to clone, and you can again clone multiple projects from here, or you can also switch to github.com and you can select it from here as well. Alright, so that's pretty much all about this video. I have made lot of videos on Python, so all these projects which include building a rock paper scissors game or deploying a Python project app on some server or creating a resume builder Python app. So all these projects you can watch, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website along with source code. So please do watch all these videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.